scholarships, memorial plaques. The family's legacy had been erased as thoroughly as they'd once erased Mrs. Castellano's sister. Sometimes I wondered about the women who'd chosen to stay with their buyers, rather than risk everything testifying. I understood their choice even as it frustrated me. The system had been designed to make escape seem impossible. Those who'd found small freedoms within captivity weren't villains, just survivors making impossible choices. A federal training program based on our case became mandatory for law enforcement in multiple states. I occasionally spoke at trainings, sharing our story with rooms full of skeptical officers who'd learned to recognize crimes they'd previously dismissed. Each training felt like extending our victory beyond our individual freedom. On quiet evenings, I thought about the life I planned with Marcus, the children we'd never have, the family dinners that had hidden horror,